Here we will talk hosting a static website on Amazon S3. So you can host a static website on Amazon S3. On a static website, individual web pages include static content. They might also contain client-side scripts. By contrast, a dynamic website depends on server-side processing, including server-side scripts such as PHP, JSP, or ASP.NET. Amazon S3 does not support server-side scripting. Amazon Web Services also has resources for hosting a dynamic website. To host a static website, you configure an Amazon S3 bucket for website hosting and then upload your website content to the bucket. The website is then available at AWS region's specific website endpoint of the bucket. So the endpoint will be your bucket name .s3-website-aws region.amazonaws.com. So how to set up a static website? There are simple 4 steps to setting up a static website. First step is creating a bucket and configuring it as a website. Second is adding a bucket policy that makes your bucket content publicly available. Third is uploading an index document. Fourth is testing your website. So let's see the practical. So now you can see the management console. So click on the Amazon S3. So first step is create a bucket. So for now I am giving the bucket name as sample-website-hosting-bucket. Specify the region. If you want to give versioning enabled, you can click this, you can enable that. If you want to give logging part, then enable this. If you want to add some tags, you can add the tags. And you can create a bucket. So now my bucket is created as a sample-website-hosting bucket. So you can click the bucket. You can see the bucket is empty. Go to the property section. You can see here static website hosting. So you can select this, use this bucket to host a website. So you can put here your index.html. So this index.html will be your first page to load. You can save this. And you can click on permissions and you can give bucket policy for this bucket. As I have made a bucket policy, so the content will be publicly available. You can save the policy. As the policy is saved, now you can upload your website content. After uploading the website content, you can click on the object and go to the property section. And you can see the endpoint as http://sample website hosting bucket.s3-website-us east 1, that is region.amazonaws.com. So this is the typical demonstration of hosting a static website on Amazon S3. Thank you.